Hello guys, so where are we going?
Hello, we're going camping. We're on the road right now. Guys, making our gas stop. Gas stop. What coffee dance? Coffee dance. What was that?
So guys, right now, opening, unboxing. Whoa. Sorry guys, 100% more interesting. Whoa, it's red.
It's cold though.
May mga parts siya na parang mixed vegetable, no? So we'll see you there. We'll just finish our food. So, get some coffee.
So.
We saw 8 times.
Okay, fit check. Okay. Okay. Jacket from where?
Pull and bear.
Okay. Hoodie from where?
From my dad.
Okay.
From my mom.
Okay. And
Crocs.
what are those?
Crocs. Socks. Christmas. This slippers Arab. This one dress chill. This one rip curl. You see this shirt? This one Lamaa. This one from Jackie.
Okay.
This one second hand.
Okay.
This one day to day.
Okay.
This one ukay.
Okay.
I took this one, I stole it.
Okay. Say hi.
When you enter this, you guys can see a lot of Filipino people, the community, and you can see the carpet here, right here. And these are the people right now.
Say hi to my vlog.
Yeah, this is say hi to Ate Arizel and this one.
Okay, guys. So this is where the food happens. Woo. Hey guys, we finished our exchange gift. Yeah. No, there's no light. So guys, say hi to my vlog, Ate.
Hi vlog! Merry Christmas! The diffuser and the blanket!
Hey guys, I want this jacket.
Wow!
Face cream.
Wow!
May gusto bang may mag-bargain ka?
Ano mga ano nyo?
4, 5.
Ano iPhone? 13?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ito.
Okay, let's play.
16? Ah, hindi. 13. 12.
Let's do this.
iPhone 12. Pro Max.
Stranger Things.
Grabe ang aesthetic ah. Hindi ko na makita yung marbles. Grabe music yan. Mga emo. Emo Christmas version. Wait nga lang.
Ano ba yan?
Na-conscious.
Wait nga lang. Andun set Charles. Happy birthday. Antok na. Game.
Taya.
Wait na nasa isang barbo.
Uy, ang dami mong ganap.
Ay, okay.
Sino hindi magbago? Taya.
Ikaw.
Tayo ka.
Okay. Anong gagawin ko?
Habulin mo kami.
So, ano, ilagay mo na any place. Basta iiwasan mo magdikit.
No marbles.
Yes,
So I win? Do I win?
Yeah, you're the first one to win.
Yeah, I won.
Wala ka ng kalaro.
Alex, what are you doing?
Tell the truth.
Yeah.
Truth.
Uy, kamukha mo si Central C.
So, meron siyang ano daw. Ewan ko, ngayon ko lang dito lalaro.
Airplane.
Eh, paano yun? Like, yung first circle or pwede lahat?
Kahit ano.
Lahat.
O, kunwari sinabi niya airplane. O,
I got mad. M-A-D. Mad. Guys, I got mad.
Ha? Kailangan lahat. String. Lahat ng letters.
Like all of this?
Yes. No, like in the outer circle.
Kaya nga, M-A-D. Mad.
Lahat, lahat ng letters. Lahat ng letters sa black. Gets? Hindi lang M-A-D. Like lahat. Dapat included.
Wale.
Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.